This is real masqueti, people. Look at this Haitian little hidden gem that I found on Flatbush Avenue between Hawthorne and Winthrop. Okay, the Haitian transporter. Between Parkside and Winthrop, right? Yes, my bad. Yes. And this is Mashpilon. Mes amis, oh, gade. Li gen kri pou moun ki reme feti afe yo. You know who you are. Excuse me, okay. Ouais. M'a just montre nou because si nou ta jam vle vini. Oh, and black soap. I just bought one of these. Yeah.
How much is the black soap?
$5. How much?
$5.
The black soap is $5. Good. Okay, you want one? And back on focus. Okay, let me see. You put a little Jamaican in it. Why Jamaicans always do?
You know, a lot of Jamaican people come, oh, why you celebrate Haiti? You don't celebrate Jamaica.
You should have tell them go to a Jamaican store. Can we have something? Oh.
Because guess what one guy coming almost bring me over here?
For real. This is necessary. For the past 5 years, the only time I get Jonjo is when it comes directly from Haiti. So that's just to show you how it's not even.
You sell it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Everywhere you sell something. I don't know why.
I took a little.
Specific of my country.
What is this? Sasa.
It's sea salt.
Oh, sea salt. Okay. And this is poicongo. Oh,
Yeah, Pacongo.
oh my gosh. $2?
$2.
Okay, give me 2. Ça c'est pitimi. I don't like pitimi. It has too much rocks. Okay, this is pois. This is rice. What kind of rice is this? Madagugus. And how much is this little one?
$2.
Okay.
Our Asian rice.
Ooh, blé. I want blé.
Asian rice right here.
So blé, this blé right here. Haitian what?
Asian rice.
Oh.
And Shella.
How much are they? $2? $5.
Expensive.
It's Haitian rice?
Yeah.
Which one is better?
What you like it?
You know what? Give me both of them.
Look.
So I'll just make the... And you might be wondering why he's this, look like this. His wife is Haitian. What's your wife's name?
Huh?
What's your wife's name?
Prima.
Prima? Ah, okay. Tell her I said good job. Yeah. Keep it. You know the only thing you missing? Doom.
Doom?
Yeah.
This way they already coming.
They coming? Oh my God, that's funny. One noir. Yeah, that's the only thing you're missing. Once you get that, did I take the blé? I want a blé. I want 2 blé.
2 blé?
And the associé, show me the... Oh, men fay. Qui je fais ça yo ele là? What are they called? Zorange,
Lalo?
I don't know. Lalo? That's Lalo?
Yeah, it's Lalo.
How much is it?
$5.
I'm gonna take it. I don't even know how to make it, but I'll find somebody that can.
You know how you do it? You don't know how you make this?
I'm not from Okap, and I'm not from
How many
the
you want?
associé. How much is the associé?
$5 each.
I'm not gonna make it that much. I'll take one.
Okay.
Okay.
Masqueti, garlic tea,
What is it?
citron,
What are they good for?
for wheat,
For what?
for COVID. All people use this for
Uh-uh.
COVID. Yeah.
I'm so vaccinated. Okay, this one.
Papaya leaf.
Mm. Okay. And me cannelle. I hate cannelle though. Oh, I want pistache. Here. Okay. I already got my John. Oh, 3.
Yeah.
How much is it?
5.
It's up here. My God, how much money? You taking all my money. You're taking all my money. Is it those rocks that Haitian women be eating?
Yeah.
Ew. Don't that thing... No. I seen African people do the same thing too. I don't know. What is it called? Tez? Tez? What is that? Tez?
There's something for the when the woman eat it, when woman pregnant.
Ew, that's just that. Oh. That's different. Okay. You gave me the Haitian rices, right?
Yeah, it's Haitian.
For I could. Okay, good. And then what is this? Chocolat?
Chocolate, yeah.
My gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't do that though. That's too much of a process. Okay. Wow. And man. John.
Yeah.
I mean, this is very expensive in the store, so I'll take it. Thank you. Is that me? Esther, you don't want anything?
I already grabbed a soap.
Okay. Okay. Maggie John. How much is this big one?
The water.
Huh?
What big one?
This one.
This is $10.
$10. How many is in it?
This is
48.
yeah, 48. $10.
Okay, do me a favor. I want this one instead of the. Yeah, because
What's the other one?
This is the other one is 20 and it's 5, right?
20. I put 40 right there for you.
Which one is for? And this is
This is
48.
48, uh-huh.
Yeah, so duh. You know, if it's Haitian for ou fait prix, you have to bargain. Yes.
Okay, take 2.
Okay, got it. Perfect. So what's my damage? How much?
Sugar, this. You want this?
You know I need this because I'm gonna tell people.
Yeah,
Although I'm gonna tell y'all this why I need it. I need it to wash my kilot because I do not like taking my underwears to the laundry, but I don't like washing them with regular soap. So I think this is gonna work. And I don't know. Maybe. Oh, you good guys? You know what it is. So, yep. And yep. You have a business card? Actually, I'm just gonna take the address. Don't worry about it. There's only got the guys. And then Campo. What? What is this for babies or for adults?
No,
Anybody?
anybody use this.
Oh, okay. Passoir.
This is for kids, but I see all women buy this.
Okay.
Buy this easy.